This phone is $900 on Amazon. Same phone, same storage, same color, $700 somewhere else. I almost paid $200 extra because I didn't know this existed. The tool that found this is called PriceFox, free browser extension for Chrome and Safari. It compares prices across 26 plus platforms and 680,000 sellers automatically. But here's the thing about price comparison tools. Most are outdated or only check 3 websites. So I tested PriceFox, and it found prices I didn't even know existed. Here's what actually happens when you shop. You check Amazon, maybe Best Buy, and you assume that's a decent price. But the same product can be $200, $300 less on a platform you've never heard of. Nobody has time to check 26 tabs manually. Setup takes 5 seconds. Go to PriceFox.com, click Add to Chrome, done. Now let me show you what happens when you shop. I'm on Amazon looking at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, 256 gigabytes. Amazon's price, $900. Watch the corner. PriceFox just appeared automatically. It's already telling me eBay has this for $700. That's $200 saved. I didn't search for anything. It just showed up. When I click Compare Prices, it opens this full page. Prices range from $700 to over $1,600 for the same phone. Same phone, $900 difference depending on where you buy. I can filter by storage, color, carrier, condition. Prices update instantly. But here's what actually changed how I shop. This graph shows 30 days of pricing, so I can see. Is this actually a deal? Or did the price spike last week and now it's back to normal? No more fake sales. And every seller compared side by side. Ratings, delivery times, return policies, one click to buy from whoever you trust most. If this is already saving you from overpaying, subscribe. I find tools like this so you don't have to. More coming soon. Same thing with Apple Watch Series 9. Amazon, $229. PriceFox finds $159 at Best Buy, $70 saved instantly. Now Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. Amazon, $260. And look, PriceFox says Amazon already has the best price. It's not trying to send you somewhere else if there's no better deal. That's how you know it's actually honest. Over time, these savings add up. $200 here, $70 there. Real money you're leaving on the table just because you didn't know where to look. PriceFox checks 26 platforms in seconds. You'd spend hours doing that manually. PriceFox is completely free, no catch. It just shows up when you shop and tells you if there's a better price. Link is in the description. PriceFox.com. Add it to Chrome or Safari, takes 5 seconds. And if you want more tools that actually save time and money, I made a video about one that saved a brand 12,000 hours. That one's on screen. Check it out. See you in the next one.